Do it.
So how do I get on?
Like that.
1 foot at a time?
Yes.
I have no idea how to stop spinning. Good to go, kids. Alright.
It was just mad because you smacked it into a thing.
Yeah.
You smacked it into a
These
lot
don't
of
take
things.
too long to get used to.
No, they don't. That is a cube. These are fairy wings. These are real. I ripped them off of a fairy. I actually did not try to do that. Here you go. Ready?
Yeah.
The cube is ready.
Alright.
Switching
Okay, I
hands.
gotta memorize it on the hoverboard. Alright, here we go. This is such a hard scramble. Oh. Alright. Come on.
I am Chuck Norris. This is a cube. I am mixing it up. Just like I mixed up the fairy. Should be good now.
Alright.
Now we are going to switch the camera. The hoverboard, which is currently on my feet, will now be on Josh's feet.
Alright. So. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, I forgot to pee. Nope.